The mousedeer and the crocodile. One hot sunny day in a jungle, a small mousedeer was walking around for food. Oh my god, I'm so hungry today. Suddenly, he remembered that in the forest next door there were a lot of fresh and delicious fruit. I remember that in the forest next door a lot of fresh fruit. But I forgot there will be a lot of crocodile in the river when I want to cross the forest. Don't care, I will still cross the river. Without thinking about what will happen, the mouse deer kept trying to pass the river with the love of crocodiles with his intelligence. When he arrived at the river mouse deer, he saw a crocodile that was hungry and ready to eat him. And he had an idea when he saw the logs floating in the river. Hi, crocodile. Hello, mouse deer. Are you here to be my lunch? I'm ready to be your lunch on one condition. Tell me what is it? You have to share my flesh evenly with all of your friends here, crocodile. I need you to gather them so I can count them all. Then the crocodile called all his friends together. After the crocodile get all of his friends gathered, attention all crocodile, I need you all to float in a row from here to the other side of the river. Okay, we will line up according to your request, mousedeer. In a moment, the crocodiles arranged themselves to float in a row across the river. The mouse deer jumped into the crocodile's back. 1, 2, and 3. Then the mouse deer came to the farm next door that had a lot of fruit. With his intelligence, he lied to the crocodile. Poor crocodile want to be cheated, but thank you for helping me to cross the river. That's the story of the mouse deer who tricked the crocodile with his intelligence to eat in the forest next door.